Greetings, I'm Helma Christiana Bloomberg, and welcome to your Palm Desert, California real estate market update as of April 19, 2025. This week, the median list price for single-family homes in Palm Desert is $787,000. The median price of new listings is $749,000, while the price per square foot is currently $367. Now let's take a look at market activity. Homes are spending an average of 89 days on the market, with the median days on market holding at 56 days. About 47% of listings have seen a price decrease, while 2% have experienced a price increase. Additionally, 14% of homes have been relisted. One key factor to consider is inventory, which has now increased to 417 active listings. Now, let's talk about the Market Action Index, which measures whether we are in a buyer's or seller's market. This week, the index stands at 31, which indicates a slight seller's advantage. This is a slight decrease from last month's index of 32. The market has started cooling, and prices have been flat for several weeks. Since we're in the seller's zone, watch for changes in the Market Action Index. If the MAI resumes its climb, prices will likely follow suit. If the MAI drops consistently or falls into the buyer's zone, watch for downward pressure on prices. Now, if you're buying or selling, here's what you need to know. For buyers, finding the right home is about more than just square footage. It's about lifestyle, location, and long-term goals. I offer exclusive access to off-market properties and leverage eXp Realty's global network of over 90,000 agents. As part of eXp's luxury division, I use cutting-edge tools to find opportunities you won't find anywhere else. My goal is to help you secure the perfect home with confidence and ease. For sellers, your home deserves maximum exposure. Our luxury marketing includes placement on 80 international real estate websites, luxury placements in the Wall Street Journal, Mansion Global, Robb Report, Unique Homes, DuPont Registry, and Forbes Global Properties. And we feature your property with professional twilight and drone photography, plus a dedicated property website. Targeted advertising ensures your listing reaches the right buyers, locally and globally, attracting serious interest and top-dollar offers. Whether you're upsizing, downsizing, or relocating, I offer expert negotiation, seamless transactions, and personalized service to make your transition effortless. That's your Palm Desert, California real estate market update. If you're thinking about buying or selling, this is the time to stay informed and strategize. Contact me at Helma at helmabloomberg.com or call me at 760-636-3105 for the California Desert or 805-450-6006 for Santa Barbara and its surrounding horse and wine country. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on social media for more insights, tips, and updates on the luxury real estate market. Thank you for watching.